Okay, so I'm going to discuss how to use this Edmodo applet on my computer. So as an educator, I actually really like this layout because it kind of resembles a Facebook profile, which a lot of my students are very familiar with, and this doesn't have much of a learning curve. This is actually the first time I've ever looked at this, and I was able to dive right in and know how to figure it out and use the little applets and all that stuff to kind of make my profile and my account. So for my profile, I uploaded a little bit about me, where I work, and then obviously I don't have any students, but my library items I actually really liked. So I looked at this library applet, and I actually included my Algebra 2 trigonometry binder. So what this is I also did this for my Algebra 2 kids, and you can actually go right to it and use this on my little website here, and I can use it as a resource within my little applet here. Another thing that I really liked is this little planner. So what I did is I laid out my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday plan. So what I could do is for my students give them an overview online of what they missed or what's coming up throughout the week. So on Monday, I will do Introduction to Right Triangle Trig. So I just sent this to myself because I have no students following me, but if I had students, I would send it to them. Then for Tuesday, Introduction to Reciprocal Functions. Wednesday, I went ahead and added a little task, which was the homework textbook assignment that they now know of, and they can access this right on the planner. And then Thursday, another trigonometric substitution with trigonometric substitution homework. And then Friday, I made a quiz. So I thought this was really neat. Students can come on here at the end of the day, or just to kind of debrief and see what's going on, what's planning. I really liked this coming soon. I could put if I have like a project or a unit test, or perhaps if I'll be out, because I know that maybe I would have a substitute come in the room. They'll know when I'm going to be out, or something that I have planned coming up. And then someday, perhaps I'll put something like a review session or AIS services, something of that nature. So I thought it was really cool to see this kind of laid out in a very friendly interface kind of way. So I could definitely see me using this because it has all of these cool communities. I entered the math community, I did career development, and then I did physical education and health. So it also has notifications over here, and you can filter your posts, and I could type an alert here or an assignment, a quiz, set a poll out to my students, say, hey, how did you like what I did today in class? Did you want to redo it? How would you give me feedback? So I think it's a really nice way to kind of interact with your students on a more personal level. It kind of shows that, because it looks like the little Facebook social networking system, that you are down to earth and relatable and are embracing this past the classroom agenda.